Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. For today's tutorial, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano kayo makakakuha ng Senomar. Okay, by setting an appointment online. Punta lang po tayo sa ating Google Chrome. Type lang po natin ang PSA Appointment System. Okay, ito pong unang lumabas. Click lang po. Scroll down. Click Book Appointment. Scroll down ulit. Click I agree. Okay, we have here important reminders. Basahin lang po natin. The first one is, minors are not allowed to book an appointment. The second one, if the requesting party is a duly authorized representative, the copy of authorization letter or special power of attorney or affidavit and copies of the valid ID must be presented and submitted. Kung kayo po ay inutusan or representative, here are the necessary requirements na kailangan nyo pong dalhin. The first one is the authorization letter from the owner. The second one is valid ID ng owner at photocopy nito. The third one is valid ID ng representative or ninyo. Please bring the physical original copy and then the photocopy nito. And of course, wag din po kakalimutan ang inyong claim slip. Third, provide complete and correct details for applicant or authorized representative. Okay, fourth, this appointment and scheduling system allocates slots on a first-come, first-served basis. We also have here the list of valid IDs na pwede nyo gamitin upon claiming your Senomar. Okay, we have here the list of valid IDs or identity documents na pwede nyo gamitin. The first one is the DFA. Next is the LTO or the driver's license issued by the LTO. Next, PRC ID, IBP ID, GSIS or Unified Multipurpose ID or e-card pwede. SSS Unified Multipurpose ID, Pag-ibig ID, Comelec ID, PhilPost, OSCA or LGUs ID, OFW ID, DOLE, OWA ID, Marina ID, Diplomat Consular ID issued by the Philippine Embassy, pwede. NBI clearance, pwede. Philippine National Police or PNP ID or police clearance. DSWD or the 4-piece ID. DWD ID, CDA or DOH ID, pwede. AFP, DAR, DNR, and DOJ IDs are acceptable. Now, let's select the purpose of your appointment. The first one we have here, get copies of civil registry documents and certifications for first-time court decrees and legal instruments, CDLI request. Next, for consultation through Public Assistance and Complaints Desk. Next is for submission of compliance of supporting documents per PSA feedback form, for the lead registration, mobile application service, birth registration assistance project, and others. Ang pipiliin natin dito is get copies of civil registry documents and certifications. Next, choose region, outlet, ang pinakamalapit na outlet sa inyo. Basahin nyo na lang po ito. Dito na tayo sa services, fees, and processing time. The first one, we have here the copy issuance of birth, marriage, and death certificates na nasa Civil Registry System database na. Per copy, 155 pesos po. 1 hour nyo po siya bago makuha. Okay, next, the same documents or certificates. However, ito po ay not yet available in Civil Registry System database. 155 pesos per copy at 7 days nyo siya bago makuha. The third one, same certificates. Pero dito ay for authentication, same po ang babayaran, 155 pesos, 1 hour lang din po ang hihintayin. Okay, dito na tayo sa Certificate of No Marriage. Medyo mas mahal siya ng konti, 210 pesos per copy and kinaumagahan nyo na siya makukuha since this is 1 working day or 8 working hours upon receipt of the request. Number 5, Senodeath is 210 pesos per copy. And kinabukasan nyo din siya makukuha. Dito naman po sa baba, we have here the viewable online. Kayo na lang po ang magbasa since ang main focus po natin is about the Senomar na i-claim natin on site. Scroll down. Next, first one, please provide your contact information for the appointment. We will send you a copy of your appointment confirmation via email. That's why it's quite really important na active po ang inyong email para po malaman nyo ang status ng inyong pinurchase na certificate. Next is, if you are making this appointment for someone else, please indicate their contact details and take note that all the reminders and requirements will then apply to them. Number 3, if you are requesting for someone else certificates, use your own personal details in this form. Kung kukuha kayo para sa ibang tao, ang details mo munang ilalagay dito dahil ang details nila ay indicate nyo sa next page. Dito, ilagay nyo lang ang inyong first name, middle name, last name, email, mobile number, and click I agree. Pagkatapos, click nyo na ang next. Now, makaka-receive po kayo ng OTP sa inyong mobile number at i-enter nyo lang po siya dito. Once na input nyo na po, click verify. Here, please enter the certificates you are requesting for. Since kukuha tayo ng Senomar, ito po yung i-click natin. Relationship. Okay. Kung for the relationship, for yourself ba, spouse, father, mother, son, daughter, grandparent, grandchild, or authorized representative ka ba? Okay, now, pindutin natin ang self since kukuha tayo ng para sa sarili natin. Dito, automatic naman po na ma-indicate ang inyong first name, middle name, at last name. Kung gusto nyo mag-add ng another certificate na kukunin para isahan na lang, just click add another certificate. Kung hindi naman po, click na natin ang next. We have here the schedule, date na gusto ninyo. Ito na mga white, it means unavailable na siya. Ito na blue one, it means pwede pa siya. Okay, halimbawa, gusto ko ng Thursday, June 11, click nyo lang yan. Dito makikita nyo yung time, preferred time, available slots, kung ilan pa yung tao na ma-accommodate, and in percentage. Kung medyo malayo kayo at magta-travel pa kayo ng mga 1 to 2 hours, piliin nyo ang 9 a.m. onwards para hindi po kayo malate. Halimbawa, 9 a.m. Click nyo lang yan. At click nyo na ang next. Okay, sabi dito, please review the details of your appointment. Keep in mind that this appointment is non-transferable. Okay, we have here the appointment details, your first name, middle name, last name, outlet address, date, and time. We also have here your email, contact number, and type of certificate. Pagkatapos niyan, click nyo lang po ang confirm and download Senomar. Punta na kayo sa inyong email dahil meron kayong ma-receive na attachment which is your claim slip. To download, just go over here sa upper right side at i-click nyo lang ang download button dito. At automatic naman mada-download siya at ipaprint nyo na po. Huwag nyo kakalimutan na pumunta sa inyong scheduled date and time. Ayun lang siya guys. I hope it helps. See you po sa ating next video. Bye!